This is not just a luxury SUV. This is a masterpiece transformed into a street beast. Meet the modified Volvo XC90, the perfect combination of Scandinavian elegance, brutal design, and powerful road presence. Volvo has always been known for its safety, comfort, and refined luxury. But this tuned XC90 shows a completely different side of the brand. This is Volvo with attitude. This is Volvo with aggression. This is Volvo turned into a monster. From the very first look, you realize this SUV is unlike anything ordinary. The wide body kit instantly gives it a more muscular and dominating stance. The lowered suspension makes it sit closer to the ground, giving it a sporty, racing-inspired character rather than a typical family SUV feel. Massive performance wheels, sharp aerodynamic lines, and bold tuning elements make this XC90 look powerful, even when it's standing still. Move towards the rear, and things get even more exciting. The back design is where this modified XC90 truly shows its personality. A striking carbon fiber spoiler enhances both style and aerodynamics. The aggressive rear diffuser and large, sporty exhaust pipes send a strong message. This SUV isn't just about comfort, it's about power, performance, and attitude. The glowing LED taillights create a dramatic visual signature, especially at night or under city lights, making the car look futuristic, dangerous, and unbelievably premium. But it's not only about looks. Even after all these modifications, the XC90 keeps the soul of Volvo alive. Inside, you still get a high-class luxury interior, soft-touch premium materials, elegant Scandinavian design, advanced technology, a large infotainment system, and incredible comfort make the cabin feel like a luxury lounge. Whether you're cruising through the city or enjoying a long highway drive, this XC90 gives you both excitement and peace at the same time. And of course, we cannot forget what Volvo is famous for: safety. Even in its modified form, this SUV carries Volvo's legendary safety philosophy. Smart driver assistance systems, strong build quality, and intelligent protection features ensure that power and safety coexist perfectly. This modified Volvo XC90 proves that an SUV can be family-friendly and still look wild. It can be luxurious and still feel aggressive. It can be practical and still make your heart race. This is the kind of car that turns heads everywhere, captures attention instantly, and makes a powerful statement without saying a single word. So here's the real question. Would you drive this beast? Do you prefer the classic elegant Volvo XC90? Or do you love this extreme, tuned, and aggressive version? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible car content.